Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about what will be the output of the code. So this is the code at here and we have four different options. So which one is the correct at here I am going to discuss. So at here I am using Visual Studio and this code here I pasted. So if I execute this code, so at here the output it will display 10 and 35.78. So this is the one important interview questions. So here output it's displaying 10 and 35.78. So first I'm going to explain this code. So if you debug the code, control comes to main. Here after that go inside. Here I've taken integer I variable 10 and here double d variable 35.78 and here after there is the one function fun and here I pass I value. So at here this point or at here I value is now 10. So at here it starts searching where is the font. So at here control comes to this point and here it now at this point it receives 10. Now here after at here double D, so it receives 10. Now here after that go inside add here console.write line. So in new line that display add here D value 10. So add here 10 that will display. Now hereafter when that done, so control back to font. Hereafter there is a one more function font D. So D value is now 35.78. So add here now compiler starts searching where's T. So control back to this point. Add here at this point a static font and here static point font and double T. So this time add here D is a 35.78. So this receive add here 35.78. Now hereafter that go inside. So add here console.write line and here it display D value 35.78. So add here 35 point console.write line. So in new line that display 35.78. So this all look quite simple, but it's an important interview question. Many people select the option D, but it's not true. Here the answer is 10 and 35.78. So why this happening? Add here integer I and here one I is integer type, but add here I'm using double. So but add here the output it's displaying 10 and 35.78 because if I scroll down there is an important point. So add here integer data type is subdata type of double. So that here it's displaying 10 and 35.78. So add here first function font is executed as an integer. So add here this font and here I. So add here when that executes, so it's not executed as the double, it's executed as the integer. So that here the output it's displaying 10. Now here after second function font D. So at here D is the double, so double there is no any problem. Suppose if I change at this point int. Now here I is the integer, so there is no any problem with font. But at here I am getting the error message. At here cannot convert from double to integer. So at here D is the or double data type and here I am using integer. So at here that means double data type is not sub data type of integer. So that here it's showing the error message. So at here double to integer we cannot use, but integer to double we can use. So if we are using integer to double, so at here it will execute as an integer. So this is the important point here. So that the right output 10 and 35.78. So sometimes the interviewer that asks if I change at here or give double at here, this to double and here at this input parameter integer. So double to integer we cannot use, but integer to double we can use and it treat as an integer. Okay, so when that give add here double would be no any problem with I. So here there is no any problem. So and here this is the integer and here this is the double. So here integer data type is the subdata type is of double. So that there is no any error and here one is executed as the integer. So that here the output is displaying 10 and 35.78. So this is the one important interview question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.